Good morning. Today topic discuss about the suppository. Contents, introduction, advantage and disadvantage, types, suppository base and the method of preparation, evaluation. Introduction. Suppositories are semi-solid dosage form. Medicament for insertion into body orifices other than mouth. Suppositories are commonly used rectally and vaginally and occasionally urethral. They have various shape and weights. Advantage. Avoid a first pass effect. Melt at body temperature. Both localized in the systemic action. Easy to use of pediatric and geriatric patients. Administered to unconscious patient. Convenient for drug that causes of JAD tract irritation, vomiting, extra. Disadvantages. Irritant drug cannot administered. Embarrassment up to patient. Need to store at low temperature. Cannot easily prepared. Cost expensive. Fluid content of rectum is much less than that of the small intestine. This may affect the dissolution rate extra. Some drug may be degraded by the microbial flora present in the rectum. Types of suppositories. Rectal suppositories, vaginal suppositories, urethral suppositories, nasal suppositories, air cones. Rectal suppositories, they are meant for the insertion into the rectum for systemic or local action. For adults, weights 2 gram or 2 torpedo shape. Children suppositories weigh about the 1 gram. The coca is generally used as the base in the preparation. Vaginal suppositories. This is are inserted into the vagina. Weight about the 3 to 5 gram are molded in the conical rod shaped and oval. This is generally used to combat infections occurring in the female genitourinary area. To restore the vaginal mucosa to its normal state and for contraception. Urethral suppositories. There are meant for insertion into the urethra. There are thin, long, and cylindrical at one end to facilitate the insertion. They generally weighing about the 2 to 4 grams. There are very rarely used. Nasal suppositories. There are meant for the insertion into the nasal cavity. There are thin, cylindrical in shape. There are always prepared using the glycerol-gelatin base. There are about 10 to 10 centimeter long and weighing about 1 grams. Ear cones. There are meant for introduction into the ear. They are long, thin, and cylindrical in shape. They are weighing about 1 grams. The theobroma oil is generally used to the base. Suppository bases. The ideal properties. It must retain the shape and the size on storage. It should melt at body temperature after the insertion. It should be non-irritant. It should shrink sufficiently to remove from mold. It should not interfere in the release or absorption of drugs. It should permit incorporation of drugs. You should be compatible with the variety of drugs. You should be physically stable on storage. You should not be softened or hardened on storage. Types of bases. Oleogenic bases or batic bases. Coca butters, the theobroma oils, emulsified theobroma oil, the hydrogenated oils. Hydrophilic bases, the water soluble and miscible. Glycerol-gelatin base and the soap glycerin base, the polyethylene glycols. Emulsifying and the synthetic bases, the white salt, the masa esternium, masabul. Fatty and oleogenic bases, coca butters, theobroma oils. The coca butters, the fat obtained from the roasted seed of the theobroma coca. The properties at room temperature, it is yellowish and the white solid having the pained agreeable chocolate-like odor. Chemically, it is a triglycerides, combination of glycerin, one or different fatty acid, primarily of oleopalmitosterine and oleodiesterine. Advantages. Melting just below the body temperature, maintaining its solidity at the usual temperature, room temperature. readily liquefying and heating and solidifying and cooling. Disadvantage: exhibit marked polymorphism, rancities, strict to mold, the leakage from body cavity, costly. Emulsifying of theobroma oil, when a large quantity of aqueous solution are to be incorporated. A combination of glycerol monostearate 5%, lenity wax 10%, cetyl alcohol 2 to 3%, beeswax 4%, spermaceti wax 12%. Generated oils. The hydrogenation of various vegetable oils such as arachis oils, cottonseed oil, the coconut oil, and the palm oil extract. Used as a substitute for the theobromol oil because it has advantage like there are resistant to oxidation. The lubrication of mold is not necessary. The colorless and the odorless suppositories can be prepared. There are resistant to oxidation. Lubrication of mold is not necessary. Colorless and odorless suppositories can be prepared. Water soluble and water miscible bases. The glycerin gelatin base. It is a mixture of glycerin and water which is made stiff by the addition of gelatin. The suppositories can dissolve or disperse into the body fluid and release the drugs. Type A gelatin, type B gelatins. The disadvantages. Microscopics, bacterial growth, incompatibility, tannic acid, and the ferric chloride and the calic acid, and the physiological action, the laxatives. So, glycerin suppositories. In glycerin suppositories, the gelatin replaced stearate and the curd soap. The microscopic polyethylene glycols, water-soluble polymers available from the melting point of molecular weight of the 200 to 8,000. Available the different consistency from the liquid, semi-solid, and the solids. Advantages: chemically stable, non-irritant, free from bacterial growth, dissolve slowly in body fluid, free from sticky. Emulsifying bases: Witspal, triglyceride saturated vegetable fatty acid with varying percentage of partial esters. A small amount of beeswax is added as a hydrating agent. Should not be cooled rapidly because it may lead to brittle suppositories. Popular lubrication is necessary. Massas isotrinium. It is a mixture of mono, di, triglyceride saturated fatty acids having the formula C11H23COOH plus 2 C17H35COOH. It is a white, brittle, almost odorless, tasteless solid with a melting point 33.5 to 33.5 centigrade. Muscle food. It consists of glycerin ester, mainly of lauric acid, to which small amount of glyceryl monostearate has been added to improve the water absorbing capacity. Preparation of suppositories. The suppositories are prepared by any of the following methods: hand rolling method, hot processing or fusion method, cold compression method. Hand rolling method, it is an Asian method. The suppositories base are rolled and then desired shape they given with the hand. Not used nowadays. Hot processing fusion method, it is the common method which is involved the melting suppository base. The incorporation of the medicaments, filling into the lubricant and mold and cooling the mold. Suppositories mold. The suppositories mold of various size and shape are available and are made of nickel, copper, aluminum, and plastic. Suppository mold can be opened longitudinally by removing the screw at the time of the cleaning, lubrication, removing the suppositories. Hot water with a detergent used for the cleaning, and after cleaning, lubricant is applied. Lubrication of mold. The lubrication of mold is a necessary case of theobroma oil and glycerinated bases. The lubricant can be applied on to the inner surface of the mold using the brush and the swab made of gas. Excessive lubrication of the mold is avoided by the trying the keeping in inverted position on the neat surface. Cocoa butter, soft soap, and the glycerin alcohol. Glycerol gelatin, the liquefied paraffin, arachis oil. Emulsifying bases, no lubricant is used. Calibration of mold. The calibration of the mold is necessary because of the size of the suppository from the mold remaining same, but the weight varies. This is due to the difference in the densities of bases and medicaments. Calibration done by preparing the set of suppositories, using the base, weighing the suppositories, then finding the average means. This will indicate the true capacity of the mold. Displacement value. The quantity of the drug which displaces one part of the base. The volume of a suppository from the particular mold is uniform, but its weight will vary because of difference in the densities of the base with medicaments. The molds are calibrated for the individual base to know the exact volume of the base record, but displacement value is considered when the base is mixed with the medicaments in order to prepare the suppository for accurate weight from an individual mold. The difference in the densities of the base in the medicaments is taken into consideration. Method of preparation. The clean and lubricant the mold. The melt the 2/3 of the base in the China dish using the heat and the stir well. Add the powder and the medicament to the base and mix well. Warm the China dish for a few seconds with stirring. The pour the melt and mosses into the cavity of molded and keep on ice bath. Remove the excess mosses with the sharp knife and the blade. Open the mold, collect the suppository, wife of neatly and wrap in the wax paper. Cold compression method. This method is useful for the thermolayable and installable drugs as it does not involve the heating and the stirring of the base. Method is not suitable for the suppositories in which the glycerol bases or any other bases which involve the melting. Use of can or power operated compression machines. Cold compression machines suppositories. The inlet the cold compression the suppository means the base, the cylinders, the posts and the narrow sides and the mold retaining of soap plates. Evaluation of suppositories. Suppository evaluate for the parameters like visual examination, weight variation test, melting range, the liquefaction test, content uniformity test, dissolution test. Go to the test, the visual examination. Each suppository is placed vertically, examined visibly for the specified shape. Each suppository is placed vertically, examined visibly for the specified shape, equal distribution of color, dispersion of colors, migration of pharmaceutical active ingredient to the surface. The surface of the prepared suppository is observed for dullness, cracks, the dark regions, the air bubbles or holes extra. Weight variation test. As the suppository unit dose, they are evaluated for the uniform weight. 10 suppositories are taken and weighed individually and noted as the individual weight. Total weight of suppository determined and the average weight of suppository is calculated. Then percentage deviation of weight of each suppository with the average weight is determined using the formula. The percentage deviation, individual weight and the average weight divided by the average weight into 100. The percentage deviation should not be more than or less than 5%. Melting range. Melting range of suppose the temperatures ranges where the suppose start melting to the temperature whereas it melt and completely. The release rate of the suppose is related to the melting points. The number of techniques are available. Open capillary tube method, U-tube, and the drop point methods. Liquefaction times. Liquefaction times refer to the time taken by the suppository to become soft at the maximum temperature. This can be determined the suppository penetration the test apparatus. It consists of glass cylinder with a stage. To place the suppositories, the glass rod is placed over the suppositories. The total assembly is placed in a glass cylinder. It's immersed in water bath, the 37 centigrade. The time taken for the glass rod to reach the bottom of the cylinder note as a liquefaction time for the suppositories. Content uniformity. They ensure the dose uniformity, the content uniformity test prepared on suppositories. The test is based on the assay of individual content of the pharmaceutical active ingredient in a number of suppositories. 10 to 20 number of suppositories are taken and analyzed using suitable analytic methods to analyze the pharmaceutical active ingredients content. The same is checked with the standard limits prescribed in the official books. Distillation test. Distillation gives the information about the percentage of drug release, the periods, time of periods. The tablet distillation apparatus is issued. Two types of distillation apparatus, rotating and a paddle apparatus, rotating and the basket apparatus. Some of the revision for the topics. Contents. Introduction. Some revision for the students. Introduction means the suppose is a semi-solid dosage form. The medication for insertion into body or face other than mouth. Suppose is commonly used rectally and vaginally, occasionally urethral. They have various shape and weights. Advantage is they avoid the first pass. Effect. The melt at body temperature, both localized and systemic action, easy to use of the pediatric and geriatric patient. Administered to unconscious patient, convenient for drug that causes GI irritation, vomiting, extra. Disadvantages. The irritated drug cannot administered the reimbursement to patient to need to store at low temperature. They cannot easily prepared. The cost expensive. Fluid content of the rectum is much less than that of the small intestine. This may affect dissolution rate extra. Some drug may be degraded by the microbial flora present in the rectum. Types of suppositories: rectal suppositories, vaginal suppositories, urethral suppositories, nasal suppositories, ear gones. Rectal suppositories. There are meant for the insertion into the rectal part or local action. The adult weight 2 gram or torpedo shape. The children suppositories weighing about. Coca butter is generally used the base of the preparation. The vaginal suppositories they insert the vagina so that weighing about the 3 to 5 grams are modeled in conical and rod shaped and the ovals. You see the vaginal suppositories in the no better cure and the monistat. The depth supposedly the oval shape and the some vitamins and the recommended dose brand and the ovally 3 days. The have the conical shape and insert with the help of the inserter of the vaginus. Urethral suppositories there are meant for insertion to the urethra. They are thin, long, and the cylindrical at one end of the facility insertion. They are generally weighing about 2 to 4 grams. They are very rarely used. You see the urethral suppositories. Some of the suppositories they bend, no. So some of the suppositories the long need for the conical shape. Now see the now the urethral suppositories. Okay, understand? Okay, next. Nasal suppositories. They are meant for the insertion into the nasal cavity. They are thin cylindrical in shape. There are always prepared using glycerol gelatin base. There are about the 10 to 9 to 10 centimeter long and the weighing about 1 gram. Ear gones. There are meant for the introduction into the ear. There are long, thin, and cylindrical in shape. They weighing about the 1 grams. Theobromide is generally used with the bases. Suppository bases, nothing but the ideal properties. See the suppository bases and ideal properties. It must retain the shape and the size and storage. It should melt at the body temperature after initiation. It should be non-irritant. It should be shrink sufficiently to remove from mold. It should not interface in release or absorption of drugs. It should permit in incorporation of the drugs. It should be compatible with variety of drugs. It should be physically stable on storage. It should not be softened or hardened on storage. Types of bases: oleaginous and fatty bases. That means the coca butters, the theobroma oil, emulsifying theobroma oil, the hydrogenated oils. Hydrophilic bases, the water soluble and immiscible, the glycerol gelatin bases, the soap glycerin bases, the polyethylene glycols, emulsifying and synthetic bases. The Witzpal and the Massa estrium and Masopul. Fatty and oleaginous is nothing but the coca butter fat obtained from the roasted seed of the theobroma coca. The properties of room temperature yellowish, white, and solid, having the faint and the aggregable chocolate-like odor. Chemically, this triglyceride combination of glycerin and one or different fatty acid, primarily the oleopalmistyrene and oleodiesterines. Advantages: the melting just below the body temperature, maintaining its solidity at usual room temperature, rapidly liquefying and heating and liquefying cooling. Disadvantages: exhibit marked polymorphism, rancidity, the stick to mold, and the leakage from body cavity costly. Emulsifying theobroma oils. When large quantity of aqueous solution are to be incorporated, a combination of the glycerol monostearate 5%, linity wax 10%, and the cetyl alcohol 2 to 3%, fish wax 4%, the spermaceti wax 12%. Hydrogenated oils. The hydrogenation of the various vegetable oils such as arachic oil and the cottonseed oil, coconut oil, palm oil. Used as a substitute for the theobroma oils because it has advantages like they are resistant to antioxidant. The lubrication of mold is not necessary. Colorless and waterless suppository can be prepared. Water soluble, water miscible base. The glycerin gelatin base, the mixture of glycerin gelatin base, which is made stiff by the addition of the gelatin. The suppository can be dissolved, they dispersed in the body fluid and release the drugs. Type A gelatin, type B gelatin, and the hygroscopic disadvantages. The hygroscopic in the bacterial growth and the incompatible tonic and the ferric chloride and the calic acid, the physiological action and laxatives. Soap glycerin suppositories. In glycerin gelatin suppositories, the gelatins replace various stearate and curd soap of the hygroscopic nature. The polyethylene glycols water soluble polymers available from the molecular weight of the 2008 standards. See the emulsifying bases. Understand the purpose of the emulsifying bases. Witzpal. Small number of beeswax added the hardening agents. Should not be hold rapidly. Should not be hold rapidly because it may lead to brittle suppository. Proper lubrication necessary. Preparation of suppository. Hand rolling method is not used by the Asian method. Hand rolling method. Hot process and the fusion method. See the hot process and the suppository mold method. They used by the suppository preparation. The suppository mold varying size and shape are available and are made of the nickel and the copper, aluminum, or plastic. Suppository mold can be opened longitudinally by removing the screw at the time of the cleaning and the lubrication, removing the suppository. Hot water with the detergent is used for cleaning. After the cleaning, lubrication is applied and applied the lubrication. The lubrication mold necessary for the theobroma and calcinated bases. Lubricant can be applied on the inner surface of the mold using the brush and the soap made of the gas. Coca butter. The base in the coca butter is the soft soap. The known say 10 grams. The glycerin 10 grams. Alcohol 90% 50 ml. Glycerol gelatin. The liquid paraffin and arachic oil. The emulsifying bases, no lubricant is used. Calibration of mold. The calibration of the mold is necessary because the size of the suppository from a mold remaining same, but weight varies. This is due to the difference in the density of the bases and medicaments. Calibration done by preparing a set of the suppositories using the base, weighing the suppositories and then finding the average means. This will indicate the true capacity of the mold. What do you mean displacement value? Already talk about the displacement value. The quantity of a truck which displaces one part of the base. The volume of suppository from the particular mold is uniform, but its weight will vary because of the difference in the density of the medicaments. Next topic is method of preparation. Go to the cold compression methods. Some of the importance for the revisions. The evaluation of suppositories. What do you mean evaluation of suppositories? They identify the suppositories in the suitable condition of suppositories and the travel and carry the patient to using the suppositories. The visual examination. They see the physical examination. The suppositories see the physical examination, specific shape. They shape the specific shape the present in the suppositories. One, the equal distribution of color. The suppository they sometimes used the coloring agent and the equal distribution of coloring and dispersion of colors on the colors and the equal dispersion the colors. The migration of pharmaceutical active ingredient to the surface. Sometimes the mold the fitted the suppository the preparation after preparation and after the getting they remove the preparation and the some pharmaceutical active ingredient they move to the surface of the pharmaceutical active ingredient. The surface of the prepared suppositories are observed for the dullness, sometimes the dullness and the cracking, the dark regions under the air bubbles and the holes. Weight variation already discussion about. The suppose the unit dose they were evaluated from uniformity weight. The support 10 suppository taken the weight. The randomly selected the suppositories, the 10 suppository taken the weight individually, noted the individual weight, the total weight of suppository, determine the average weight of suppository, calculate. Then the percentage of deviation of a weight suppository, weight the average weight determined using the formula. The percentage of deviation, the individual weight and the average weight by average weights into hundreds. The percentage of a deviation should not be more than less than 5%. See the melting point range already they discussed about. The melting point range of the suppository, the temperature of the range where the suppository start melting to the temperature where it melt completely. The release rate of the suppository is related to the melting points. Number of techniques are available. Open capillary tube method is also melting point used. The U-tubes methods also used. The drop point methods also used by the melting range methods. Next, liquefaction times. Liquefaction times means liquefaction times are referred to the time taken by the suppository to become the soft at the maximum temperature. The time taken for the become the soft at the maximum temperature. This is the liquefaction times. This can be determined by suppository penetration test apparatus. It consists of a glass cylinder with a stage to place the suppository. The glass rod is placed over the suppository. The total assembly is placed in a glass cylinder and is immersed in a water bath of 37 centigrade. Time taken for the glass rod to reach the bottom of the cylinders noted the liquefaction time for the suppository. Next, go to the content uniformity. Already discussed the content uniformity and not budding the difference between the weight variation and the content uniformity. The small variation by the content uniformity and weight variation. They insert the dose to dose uniformity. The content uniformity test is the prepared the suppository. The test based on the assay, based on the assay individual content of the API number of suppositories. 10 to 20 randomly selected 10 to 20 number of suppositories are taken. Analyze the suitable analytic method to known as the pharmaceutical active ingredients. The same checked the standard limits prescribed in the official books. Some of the weight variation is a test also is fixed for the deviation limits not more than or less than 5%. The dissolution test also the dissolution